Hello everyone, I am Mohamed, a dedicated life coach. I am thrilled to welcome you to my YouTube channel. We will explore the captivating world of passionate parenting. Parenthood is a profound journey filled with moments of joy, challenges, and endless opportunities for growth. As a life coach, I have had the privilege of guiding individuals and families towards a more purposeful and fulfilling life. I am excited to share my insights and expertise in the art of passionate parenting with all of you. Let us together delve into the unique blend of love, compassion, and mindfulness required to raise happy, confident, and resilient children. If you are a new parent, an experienced one, or simply curious about the art of parenting, you are in the right place. Let's embark on this enriching journey together and unlock the secrets to becoming the best parents we can be, a one mindful step at a time. Parenting is the lifelong process of raising and nurturing children from birth through adulthood. It involves providing physical, emotional, and intellectual care to support a child's growth and development. Passionate parenting is an approach to raising children that involves deeply caring about and investing in their well-being and development. It goes beyond the basics of caregiving and encompasses a strong emotional connection and commitment to your child's growth and happiness. Mindful presence in parenting is a crucial concept because it offers a multitude of benefits for both parents and children. Let us start the practice by fully present and engaged while spending time with our children. This means putting away all the distractions and giving our child undivided attention. For example, during the playtime, set aside your phone and actively participate in your child's imaginative play. Ask questions, make suggestions, and show genuine interest in their activities. Emotional coaching. It is an important aspect of parenting because it helps children develop crucial emotional intelligence and resilience skills. The practice must be to help your child understand and manage their emotions by being empathetic and supportive. If your child is feeling frustrated because they can't solve a puzzle, sit with them, acknowledge their frustration, and offer encouragement by saying, "It's okay to feel frustrated. Let us try solving it together." Positive reinforcement. It is a psychological concept and parenting strategy that involves the use of rewards or praise to encourage and strengthen desired behaviors in children. This technique is based on the idea that when a behavior is followed by a positive outcome or reward, the likelihood of that behavior being repeated in the future increases. Use positive feedback and rewards to encourage good behavior. For example, if your child cleans up their toys without being asked, say, "Wow, you did an excellent job cleaning up. Let's choose a fun activity to do together as a reward." Parenting that empowers choices involves allowing children to have a say in decisions that affect their lives within age-appropriate boundaries. This approach aims to foster independence, responsibility, and a sense of control in children, while still providing guidance and supervision. To practice, allow your child to make age-appropriate decisions to promote a sense of autonomy. When planning meals, ask your child if they would like pasta or rice with dinner. Allow them to say in what they want to eat. Parenting with open communication involves creating an environment where children feel comfortable expressing themselves, sharing their thoughts and feelings, and engaging in honest and meaningful conversations with their parents. This approach to parenting is built on the foundation of active listening, empathy, and respectful dialogue. To practice it, you have to create a safe space for your child to express their thoughts and feelings openly. If your child tells you they got in trouble at school, listen attentively without judgment and ask questions like, "What happened? How do you feel about it?" Parenting with clear boundaries is an essential aspect of providing structure, guidance, and a sense of safety for children as they grow and learn. Setting boundaries helps children understand what is expected of them and what behaviors are acceptable within the family and society. To practice it, establish clear rules and consequences for behavior. If your child refuses to brush their teeth before bedtime, calmly explain that it is important for their health. And if they continue to resist, they won't get to watch their favorite TV show that night. Parenting through modeling behavior is a fundamental approach where parents lead by examples by demonstrating the values, attitudes, and behaviors they want their children to adapt. This method relies on the belief that children are highly influenced by the actions and conduct of their parents. To practice it, demonstrate the values and behaviors you want your child to adapt. If you want your child to be respectful, always use polite language and show respect to others in your interactions with them. As we wrap up our exploration of the art of passionate parenting today, I hope you have found inspiration and valuable insights to enhance your journey as a parent. Remember, it is not about perfection. It is about passion and continuous growth. If you have enjoyed our discussion and would like to stay connected with us, please don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. By doing so, you will be the first to know when we release new content to support you in your parenting adventure. Thank you for being a part of our community. Until next time, keep painting your masterpiece of parenthood with love and passion. This is Mohamed Yasir signing off. Take care.